A workbook is another word of your Excel file. When you start Excel, click blank workbook to create an Excel workbook from scratch. Open an existing workbook. To open a workbook you have created in the past, execute the following steps. On the File tab, click Open. File tab, click Open. Recent shows a list of your recently used workbooks. You can quickly open a workbook from here. Click Browse to open a workbook that is not on the list. Okay. Close a workbook. To close a workbook and the Excel, click the upper right X. If you have multiple workbooks open, click the upper right X closes the active workbook. This. How to create a new workbook. Sometimes you want to start all over again. To create a new workbook, execute the following steps. On the File tab, click New. File tab, click New. Click the blank workbook. How to turn off the start screen. When you start Excel, it shows a start screen that lists recently used Excel files and templates. To skip the start screen and always start with a blank workbook, execute the following steps. I am closing existing workbook. Now I am open. Then you can see this templates. How to remove this templates? On the File tab, open file. On the File tab, click Options. Under the Startup option, uncheck Show the start screen when this application starts. Then click